Today I'm going to show you how to propagate succulent using only leaves and water. Let's start!
I'll be using this tray and I will use this plant to get the leaves from. This is already dying because I left it outside for a few days and it's 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So instead of me just letting it die, I'm just gonna use it to propagate some more succulents. I'm starting by selecting the healthy leaves and I'm laying them in the tray. And now I'm spraying them with water and cover them with a plastic wrap. And then I will keep them inside the house close to the window to get a good sunlight. And I'll give you guys an update after about a week or two. Alright, so it's been exactly a week and I just watered them maybe once every 2 or 3 days whenever I see them drying up, and then cover them back with plastic wrap and put it back close to the window. And as you can see, we're starting to see some babies coming out. I'm so happy about it. And I'll give you guys more update after another week. It's been over 2.5 weeks and we're seeing some really good progress here. So the babies are more visible now and they are growing really good and look so healthy. And I'm so happy about it. I'll create another video once I'm ready to plant them into their own separate pots. I hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye!